New cycling season's kicking off. And if you're after a new jersey, I might have some pointers for you. Been checking out all these brands, scouting for the best designs. So in this last part, we're gonna take a quick look at 3 brands dishing out some pretty hefty cycling jerseys. Coming in at number 3, Concept Speed, CSPD. I was gutted when I couldn't get my hands on their pink and black checkered limited edition kit last year. So what have they come up with this year? Concept Speed is Thai and pretty uncompromising. CSPD comes through with a paint-splattered design named EXILE Jersey. Raw colors and trippy patterns are definitely something I would roll around in. When you've got matching socks and pants with such big logos, well, then it's just time to applaud. In the runner-up spot, Pas Normal. This brand I've previously only known for churning out block-collared all-black clothes, claiming to be not normal, but in my opinion, they have been very, very normal until now. Cause they have been shaking off the boring and serving up a designer acid trip with tight graphics and wilder organic expressions. It's cool that they are moving away from the all-black idea. Petrol green color is hard to match, but I like it. Acid green is my favorite anyway, and I give them major bonus points for using real hippies in their marketing. Peace and love! Taking the crown at number 1, EXILE. EXILE is always interesting to me since it's strongly associated with Cipollini. They have big collections and it's easy to get lost. We weren't supposed to talk about pants, but it's impossible not to mention these tropical treats and these pants with a tiger stripes. Sauvage! Outstanding and breathtaking design. But here's why EXILE snags the top spot on the podium. The jersey named Rainbow, which is a gorgeous steal from the American painter Morris Louis. Check him out. Sorry, EXILE, you are not fooling a guy with a master's degree in fine art. Anyway, it's more beautifully executed than Rafa's attempt last year. And we get more contemporary art rolling out onto the streets. I'm all for it. And that wraps up the 3rd and last episode of favorite jerseys from the 2024 season. Any particular jersey you feel I have overlooked or a brand that deserves being mentioned? Please let me know in the comment section. Apart from that, stay safe and stay stylish.